Chhuk TV. Like and subscribe.
Hello, good morning kids. How are you all today?
Very good.
Today we are going to learn A to Z alphabets together. A says A for apple, apple. Apple is red and tasty. B says B. B for ball. We play with a ball. C says C. C for cat. Cat says meow meow. D says D. D for dog. Dog says bow wow. E says elephant. Elephant is big and strong. F says F. F for fish. Fish lives in water. G says G. G for grapes. Grapes are sweet and juicy.
G for grapes.
H says H. H for hen. Hen gives us eggs. I says I. I for ice cream. Ice cream is cold and yummy. J says J. J for jug. We keep water in a jug. K says K. K for kite. Kite flies in the sky. L says L. L for lion. Lion is the king of jungle. M says M. M for monkey. Monkey likes bananas. N says N. N for nest. Birds live in a nest. O says O. O for orange.
Orange is round and juicy.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Parrot is green in color.
Parrot is green in color.
Q says Q. Q for queen. Queen wears a crown. R says R. R for rabbit. Rabbit runs fast. S says S. S for sun. Sun gives us light. T says T. T for tiger. Tiger has black stripes. U says U. U for umbrella. Umbrella helps in rain. V says V. V for van. We travel in a van. W says W. W for watch. Watch tells us time. X says X. X for xylophone. Xylophone makes music. Y says Y. Y for yak. Yak lives in cold places. Z for zebra.
Z says Z for zebra.
Zebra has black and white stripes. Thank you, kids. Learn and revise all the letters.
Bye-bye. Thank you, teacher.
Learn the letters A to Z. F for apple, red and sweet red. B for ball, bounce to the beat, cat. C for cat, says meow wow wow. G for dog, says bow wow wow. A for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swims along. G for grapes, bunch so nice. H for hat, looks so nice. I for ice cream, cold and yum yum. J for jug, fill it up, come. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, king so sly. M for monkey, jumps on tree. N for nest, on a tree. O for orange, juicy round pie. P for parrot, talks with sound. Q for queen, wears a crown time. R for rabbit, hops around. S for sun, shining bright race. T for tiger, full of might buzz. U for umbrella in the rain night. V for van, on the line die. W for watch, tick 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 of X or sufferful music stick. I for yak, long soft hair and bright. Z for zebra, stripes so rare.
If you enjoyed this video,
Now
don't
we know
forget
our
to like,
ABCs.
share, and
Sing
subscribe
again,
for
it's easy
more
peasy.
fun
Clap your
rhymes.
hands and shout with
Chhuk Chhuk TV.
like
and subscribe.
Dino friends, hip hip hooray! A to Z in a dino way. Roar and learn, come sing and play. I is for Allosaurus, big and strong. B is for Brachiosaurus, neck so long. C is for Carnotaurus, fast and bold. D is for Diplodocus, giant of old. E is for Elasmosaurus, swims in the sea. F is for fossils from history. G is for Giganotosaurus, fierce and tall. H is for Hadrosaur, hear its call. I is for Iguanodon, thumb so sharp. J is for Jurassic, a dino park. K is for Kentrosaurus, spikes on back. L is for lizards on dino track. M is for Megalosaurus, mighty roar. L is for nest, where dinos explore. O is for Oviraptor, egg thief tail. P is for Pterodactyl, soaring sail. Q is for Quetzalcoatlus, wings so wide. R is for raptor, quick in stride. S is for Stegosaurus, plate so neat. T is for T-Rex, king of the beast. U is for Utahraptor, strong and fast. V is for Velociraptor, built to last. W is for world, when dinos ruled. X is for X-Rex, super cool. I is for young dinos learning to roar. Z is for zoom, let's learn some more.
Are you ready? Let's learn A to Z. Clap your hands and sing with me. A says apple. B says ball. Dame. C says cat. D says dog. Kite. E says elephant. F says fish. G says goat, joy. H says hat. I says igloo. J says jug. K says kite. L says lion. M says monkey. N says nest. O says orange. P says parrot. Q says queen. R says rabbit. S says